What's going on, Muscle Monsters? Alain Gonzalez here, and in this video I want to share my full body weight workout routine. Now before we jump into the workout, let me just go over a couple of things. Number one, this is a full body workout routine, so you want to perform this workout or something similar at least 3 times per week. Alright, the next thing is, because we are using just our body weight, it's critical that you focus on the rep tempo. Okay, that could make or break how challenging the exercise is. So pay attention to that. I'll put it on the screen as well as in the description below. So without further ado, let's jump right in.
Invincible.
There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And if you want to see more body weight workouts like this one, make sure to click the like button below, and that'll let me know that you're actually enjoying the content. All right, don't forget to subscribe for more, and I will talk to you in the next one. Peace.